Hey, Senator Burr, how are you?
What's going on?
There's a new group out that's been formed called Just Say Now.
Say Now.
Just Say Now. It's a take on Just Say No. It's composed of your usual hippies, retired police chiefs and judges and folks like that say it's past time to legalize marijuana, or at least get the feds out of it. They point to the border violence. They point to the fiscal situation and all the money we're spending enforcing the law and keeping people locked up. And I thought it'd be interesting to ask Republicans because, there's a states' rights issue as well. California's legalized it for medical purposes. It's on the ballot for flat-out legalization in November, and I'm curious about whether you folks think it's more of a states' rights issue or if federal law should stay the way it is.
They're federal drug trafficking laws.
Sure. Well, it's illegal to possess marijuana. You don't have to traffic it to possess it. You're breaking federal law. Do you think the feds should get out of California's way? Another way of asking this, and this is maybe a little bit more provocative, but Obama has come out and said that he's not going to enforce federal law as it pertains to marijuana in states that have legalized it for whatever purposes. At the same time, he's taking an oath of office, and in that oath he said he'd faithfully execute the laws.
He's also not enforcing federal law as it relates to immigration.
Right.
Border security. I'm not sure that's a reason to do away with the law.
Yeah, his response was exactly the opposite in Arizona, kind of having the feds Bigfoot and stomp out that law in Arizona that it has been in the marijuana situation. In the marijuana situation,
marijuana has a conditional use for medical purpose only. It's California that has far exceeded the parameters of medical use, and I think that's incredibly well documented.
Yeah, they're giving it for ingrown toenails and all the rest.
And the question is, should the United States government enforce the
federal law,
which is illegal to possess,
in California, where the people have spoken and said we want it to be legal,
or in any state that exceeds what the exception of the law, which is medical use?
Well, there is no exception at the federal level for medical use.
No, there isn't, but clearly this administration has used their discretion to allow medical use.
Right. And are you okay with that?
Well, I'm on the record for believing that the medical use of marijuana has no real intrinsic values that you can't get through other things. But
so if you were president, you would be enforcing the law in federal law in California. Right.
See ya.
Thanks a lot. Take care.